It's time to break the outbound sales loop or outreach sales loop by using AI. Do you often feel that you are stuck in a loop where your daily schedule looks like scrolling and finding the perfect lead, then crafting a generic message and chasing after the prospect that never seems to convert or even message you? Well, you are not alone. I too found myself in this frustrating cycle. But then I realized that I need a quality or a personalized approach or message to my prospect, as well as I need a quantity of those messages. Well, what I'm trying to say is I need both quality and quantity. I need a smarter, a personalized approach. And that's when I founded Persona AI. Let me show you a visual walkthrough so that you will able to understand more better on why we need AI in our outreach and outbound. The first fundamental piece of advice I can give you is stop targeting the wrong audience. This is one of the worst scenarios that can happen for outbound prospecting. Like, are you one of those who also hate this unpersonalized message or unpersonalized emails that you receive? Well, same here. But I have found the perfect tool to personalize outreach. Let Persona AI source prospect information and data point. A platform like Persona can perform data scraping on prospect websites and uses AI to determine the ICP of the company. For those of you who don't know what is ICP, ICP is Ideal Customer Profile. An ideal customer profile is like a picture of perfect customer for your businesses. It's about finding the dream client and the right people that will be the most happiest after purchasing your offer or after purchasing your service. ICP is basically the client or the customer that will deeply resonate with you as well as that are relevant to your offer and to your niche. Further on, let Persona improves your lead personalization. It's super crucial and valuable in outbound prospecting to know your ICPs and understand their businesses and pain points. Persona provides very simple prompts and easy to use enrichment filters. Don't worry, we are going to look all of these things in very detail and step by step. Last but not least is to leverage your personalized outreach strategy. Use the enriched data that we have generated to craft an email message that perfectly resonates with your ICP and with your leads. Personalized outreach addresses the specific need and the pain points of your ICPs, increasing the likelihood of your conversion rate of your leads to clients. Again, I am repeating, addressing your ICP specific needs and pain points are more likely to engage and convert. You might ask how we are going to craft that compelling and personalized message. Well, the answer is we are going to use 360 enrichment about your lead, about your prospect, or about your ICPs. First of all, we will find our perfect target audience by using SalesGPT. The SalesGPT feature is inbuilt in Persona AI, and don't worry about it, we are going to cover that as well. And after finding our perfect target audience, we are going to gather all of the personal details. For example, their name, their role, their location, etc. etc. Like in role, either they are a software developer or a founder or a VP, and in location, either they are based in UK or US or India, and all the personal details that you need, you can get it. After that, we are going to fetch their work email, which is most important part in this workflow. And after finding their email by using waterfall enrichment, we will get their LinkedIn URL and we will be able to know where they are working from, what is the company doing, everything about their company as well. And we can also enrich an entire company. After we have a company website, we will be able to get all of the company missions and values as well as company description. We will also be able to get the company revenue. Everything that you need to know about company, you can get it. Here I'm just using this as an example. As well as you can ask from specific keywords, like they are related in SEO agency, they are related in something AI, so we can use these specific keywords as well. And after doing our enrichment, we will ask our Persona AI agent, like this profile matches our ICP, is this person a decision maker in this company? And for the company enrichment, you can also ask AI agent to find the decision maker. The decision maker are basically CEOs, founders, CTOs, etc. As well as you can ask AI agent to check that this company belongs in your ICP or not. And by doing all of this enrichment, we are able to build high intent list. Meaning, after having all of the information about our prospect, their businesses, their pain points, where they are, what they are doing, we can craft a compelling message that will truly resonate with them. And this is what is known as high intent list or buyer intent. Again, to summarize what we have done here is, we have built our ICP list by using Persona AI find people or find company feature. Then we are importing leads into our table. Then we are getting prospect data like their LinkedIn URL, company name, LinkedIn summary, and other intent data. And we will use AI to write a personalized first liner or PS lines. The main advantage of using Persona AI is we will be able to integrate with all of this platform so that your personalized message, your personalized voice, and your videos will be sent on autopilot and you won't have to do anything. So you can use LGM. LGM basically means La Growth Machine, SendSpark, Smart Leads, instantly. Don't worry about the integration of Persona AI with all of this platform. I am going to cover everything that you need to know about this integration in this upcoming lectures. So stay tuned for that. In order to sign up with Persona AI, you can use this link. I want to be very clear, this is my affiliate link, and after using this link, you will be able to get 200 credits free for 14 days so that you can try around with Persona AI. And don't worry about this link, I'm going to paste this link in the resource section or in a PDF file so that you can simply just click on it and sign up with Persona AI. And if you sign up for paid accounts, you will get 6,000 credits, which basically means that you will get free 6,000 credit, which is equivalent or worth to $200 or something like that. Last but not least advantage of using Persona AI is the data provider and the range of data provider that they provide. Like they have 80 plus or 75 plus of world's best data provider in one platform, which is Persona AI, and Persona AI uses waterfall enrichment. And if you don't know what waterfall enrichment is, I will explain it to you in a more visual way in the next lecture. As well as they have SalesGPT, as I have just mentioned, and they uses AI signals or AI triggers, which is the best part of this platform. And we are going to cover everything again in the upcoming lectures, but this is just to give you a brief overview or a nutshell on the possibilities of using Persona AI in your sales and your marketing. The data provider example are Apollo.io, ICPs, then Lead Magic, Predict Leads, Prosperio, Salessoft, everything. Like they have more than 80 plus data providers, which is very efficient in using waterfall enrichment. Alright, that's all for this lecture. And once again, thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next one.